Happy birthday, dear brother.
Happy birthday.
भाई कैसे हो आप? हैप्पी बर्थडे।
A very very happy returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday प्रभात भैया।
Happy birthday.
many happy returns of the day, sir. God bless you.
प्रभात मेरे दोस्त, जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत
हैप्पी
शुभकामनाएं।
बर्थडे माय सन।
Happy birthday, Prabhat. Happy birthday, Jenny.
Happy birthday, sir.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Mary Chan.
Hey Prabhat, happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे प्रभात सर।
जैन साहब हैप्पी बर्थडे
बहुत बहुत मुबारक जी। हैप्पी बर्थडे जी।
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Good. Wish you a very very happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू प्रभात सर। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Happy birthday, sir.
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे प्रभात सर।
हैप्पी बर्थडे प्रभात सर।
Happy birthday, Prabhat.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday duplicate Suraj Pujai.
Many many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Prabhat sir.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सर एंड आई विश कि आपके चेहरे पे स्माइल हमेशा ऐसे ही रहे।
You are a wonderful person and I am glad that you are our boss. Prabhat, may God bless you with lots of happiness, love and success in your life and you grow more and you get all the achievements which you need in your life.
God bless you with good health, success, and all the happiness.
जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारक। अकाल पुरख तन चढ़ती कला च रखे और बहुत लंबी उम्र बख्शे। पार्टी अजय पेंडिंग है, भूलना मत। हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन। टेक केयर, बाय।
Boss I can ever get, and the strongest one also. I have seen you fighting with so many types of worst situations also, and may you always be surrounded by your loved ones who make you more strong and happy. So a very happy quarantined birthday. So we are gonna rock once this lockdown gets over. हम party करेंगे. Happy birthday.
Wishing you a magical day full of surprises, fun, laughter, and lots of happiness.
जन्मदिन से याद आया, एक तो तुम्हारी पार्टी ड्यू है और दूसरा मेरा जूता तुम्हारे पास रखा हुआ है, वो कब लौटाओगे? हैव अ गुड डे ब्रो।
Dream or wish you have not only come true but also leads to an amazing future for you. May God bless through life's trial and helps you to choose right from wrong. You are a miracle that makes my life complete. May God bless you. Happy birthday once again.
Wish you a great year ahead and travel lots. Okay, bye. Take care.
God bless you always. May on this birthday God fulfill your most desired wish. हमेशा ऐसे ही खुश रही हो, हंसता रही हो, सबको हंसाता रही हो, खिलाता रही हो, खुद कुछ मत खाई हो, क्योंकि लॉकडाउन में वैसे ही राशन पानी कम है और तू जितना मर्जी खा ले तेरे को कुछ नहीं लगने वाला, तू ऐसा के ऐसे ही रहने वाला है। सो हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन। लड्डू तुम भी विश करो। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
All your dreams come true this year.
Hey PJ, what's up? Wish you a very happy birthday, Mary Chan. May God always bless you with the best. You are a true hard worker, a warrior who is always confident enough to face any problem in life. And I really feel honored to stand by your side in the midnight where you actually share your heart out. Trust me, it's the best moment of mine. Really. Stay always blessed, handsome, sexy, mind blowing, stunning, everything. I love you.
Hi Prabhat, today is a special day because it's the birthday of my little brother. So here I'm wishing you great happiness in your life, great success in health. Be safe, be happy and enjoy this every moment, this particular moment of your life. A very very happy returns of the day.
It's a very short period of time that I have joined this organization. But one thing that I like about you the most is that you keep on appreciating and motivating us by saying, हो जाएगा, आपके efforts waste नहीं होंगे. I think that's the best thing that makes you different from others. Thanks for being such an amazing person. Thanks for being the best boss ever. May God bless you with long and healthy life and may you get more and more. Happy birthday once again. Enjoy your day.
Wishes to a special person who is bringing so much joy to my heart. I am thankful for every moment that we spent together. May this day be as sunny as your smile and as beautiful as you are. May God fulfill your wishes. Happy birthday,
The youngest boss which I ever had worked with. So it's my honor to work with you in the supervision of yours. I have to learn so many things from you. So thank you, sir, for giving me a chance to work with you and giving me a very good family which is called as 13 Design Street. Thank you very much, and stay safe, stay healthy. And after lockdown, so we have to work a lot. So happy birthday, sir, once again. Bye bye.
1 year old and still getting hotter. Happiest 27th birthday. May you achieve all what you ever desire for. Hope the best for
I really
you.
wish that we could grow grumpy together, cranky together. You're the best accident that has ever happened to me. And also, I wanted to give you something really, really amazing on this birthday, but I was not fitting in a bag.